Hello, everyone. Good evening from anywhere you are in Africa. So today we are looking at something great. My name is Tumishi Olaoluwa. I'll be taking you through build your trading strategy, market selection. Build your trading strategy, market selection. So I believe many of you are watching me from different parts of the world. So I want to know where you are watching me from. Just drop it in the comment section. Tell me where you are watching me from. Okay. My name is Dees from Lagos. Watching from Lagos. Watching from Abuja. Watching from South Africa, Congo, wherever you are watching from. So I would love to know that. Okay. Yeah. So today we'll be walking through how do you build your trading strategy, right? So before then, I would like you to join this contest, right? Because we are going on a journey. So you have to watch. There's a contest coming up, but you have to watch this training. From the training is called Build Your Strategy course, right? Now you have to watch it from start to finish. Are you with me now? So you watch it from start to finish, and you to take part in this contest, you have to use the hashtag It's My Strategy, OctaFX contest. It's My Strategy, OctaFX. Right now, what you will need to do: one, on your Instagram, show the strategy you are following and tell us why it is perfect for you. Two, use the hashtag It's My Strategy, OctaFX, right? Then OctaFX Education. That's hashtag OctaFX Education. Then you now tag our official Instagram page, which is OctaFX_official. So we don't miss your post, right? And number three, I will be announcing the winner. Right, I'll be announcing the winner, and we'll be sending the person a personal certificate and $100 to your account. So if you're going to be the winner, you have to follow this webinars through from today to the last date, and you also engage your Instagram posts with our hashtag, and then you tag our official page. I want to believe you've gotten this right. Okay, great. So if you've not gotten it after this webinar, you go back and read up the details. Okay, now I want to talk about a forex trading strategy. Okay, great. I can see Smart from Lagos. Ifedayo from Osun State. You're welcome. Samuel says he's from Nigeria. Okay, one of our friends says he's from Pakistan. Okay, great. Another person said he's from Adamawa. So you're all welcome, and please follow us through. And then if you have any question, just prepare your question. I'll be giving opportunities to everyone to ask their question, and I'll answer the few I can before we round up the webinar today. Okay, today I'll be looking at forex trading strategy. Now, from the word strategy itself, strategy is like creating a pattern or a direction in which you want to go, right? Now, so a trading strategy is a kind of algorithm that tells a trader when to open a trade and when to close a trade. Now, so a trading strategy can be seen as a technique that is used by traders to determine whether they should buy a currency or whether they should sell a currency. So now, when you come up with a strategy, now that strategy tells you when to strike, right? When to strike. It's just like a soldier in the war front. He knows when to shoot. He knows when not to. So he knows if he's in a close range with the enemy, he knows when to use the knife, he knows when to use other weapons, right? Now, so there are strategies in which you approach the forex market. Now, you ever wonder, trading and then you keep making losses, right? You keep when you sell, the market begins to go up. When you buy, the market begins to go down. Why? But if you have a strategy, you will be able to understand the pattern
right? And you will now have a trigger, what you need to see in the market before you place a buy, what you need to see in the market before you place a sell. These are very important, and that's what we're going to be looking at, right, in this course starting from today. Now, there are different types of trading strategies, which is very, very important that you need to know, right? So I'll walk you through each of them. So here we have listed 8, though there are more, but just 8 significant ones. Now, number 1 is scalping. Number 2 is day trading. Number 3 is news trading. Number 4 is swing or momentum trading. Number 5 is trend trading. Number 6 is retracement trading. Number 7 is pin bar and inside bar trading strategy. And number 8 is breakout trading strategy. Okay, now the concept of trading strategy is what we're going to look at today. Now, the concept of trading strategy is based on, 1, you need to select a market and select a currency pair. Now, you see, one of those things that has made you as a trader to experience consistent failure in the market or consistent losses in the market is because you jump on every market trend, and also you jump on every currency pairs. Now, there are some professional traders who make profits in the market, profitable traders. You'll be surprised that I know a trader who does not trade any other currency except Euro USD. Except Euro USD. He only trades Euro USD. And then he makes a lot from trading only Euro USD. Right? Now, this is a trader that has selected a market and selected a currency pair for himself. I also know a trader friend who trades nothing but gold. He trades nothing but gold. He only trades gold. And I have some other traders who trade only dollar pairs. Currency pair that has the dollar in them. That's you mentioned them: the Euro USD, the USD JPY, the USD CHF, the USD CAD. The pounds, the USD. Anything that has USD is what they trade. And some only trades all currency pairs that has the Australian dollar. Now, this is because when you keep engaging with a particular currency and a particular market, you develop the kind of understanding of how that particular currency will react to a specific news, or that particular currency will react when it gets to a particular level, because it has always done that before. Now, so this helps you to get more understanding and understand the reactions of the market, right? Now, that's why we want to teach you the concept of trading strategy. So you have to select the kind of market you want to trade in. You also want to select the currency pairs, right? So you might not want to say, okay, I'm only going to trade Euro USD. Not necessarily. You might want to just say, you might want to trade just 5 currency pairs, or 2 currency pairs, or 3 currency pairs, right? Now, you might just want to trade 1 currency pair, So, what I'm saying is this: you have to select what type of currency pair do you want to trade, right? Now, having done that, you want to select what type of pattern are you looking for in the market, right? Selection of pattern for your analysis. What pattern do you look for? Now, there is a particular trader I read about that he only looks for one pattern, one candlestick pattern, and that one candlestick pattern is engulfing candle, and he looks for that engulfing candle on higher time frames. Like the daily, the weekly, the monthly, right? Now, when he spots that engulfing candle, right, if it is a bearish engulfing candle, then it must also be at a particular level of the market, right? It must obey a particular market structure. So if it's at the demand zone, right, and if it's at the demand zone, and then there is a bullish engulfing candle, then is set for a buy. Then if the market is at a supply zone and there is a bearish engulfing candle, is set for a sell. Now these are the things he spots in the market, right? And a greater percentage of time he always wins, right? Let's say 60 to 40, right? He always wins. Now, so as a trader, now you need to have a pattern you look for in the market. Like one of the patterns I enjoy the most is this triangular pattern, right? Descending triangle and ascending triangle, and it obeys the particular level I expect it to see. I know that, okay, fine. When I see a descending triangle at a particular level of the market, I know I'm selling. When I see an ascending triangle at a particular level of the market, I know I'm buying, right? So these are trading strategy. This is how you develop a trading strategy. Number one, I said you select a market and a currency pair. Number two, I said you select a pattern for your analysis. Also, a time frame. Do you want to scalp? Like, for those who scalp are those who take advantage of the shorter time frames, like 1 minute, 5 minutes, right? They will scalp. They come in and out of the market. So you want to day trade. You want to day trade and trade within the day, or you want to be a position trader where you want to hold positions for days, or a swing trader, you want to hold position for weeks, even months. So you want to know what time frame you are looking at. Are you looking at a 4 hours time frame? Are you a scalper looking at 5 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame? Are you an intraday trader looking at the 1 hour, the 4 hours, the daily time frame? Or are you a swing trader looking at the daily, the weekly, and the monthly time frame? So these are time frames that helps you to develop. If you get your risk management wrong, right? If you get your risk management wrong, you would almost lose all your money, if not all, right? Now, so it's very important for you to consider risk management as a very vital part of your strategy. Altogether, okay? Now, so now the next one is now the choice of broker. The choice of broker. Now, the choice of your broker is also very important, right? So you don't want to choose a yeah, glad to be back. Sorry for the technical issues. Okay, so now I said rules for market analysis. You want to ask yourself, do you want to trade with the fundamental analysis, or you want to use the technical analysis? Now, the fundamental analysis, where you have to follow the news, you want to pay attention to the news on macroeconomics. You want to pay attention to the news of interest rate. You want to pay attention to the news of inflation rate of the specific currencies you want to trade. That's fundamental, right? Then for technical, you want to just read price movement, so that you can use it to determine the movement of price. Now, there's also rules for entering a position with a favorable forecast, entering positions and exiting positions. Now, it is very important for you to know that it is a different thing when you enter a position. It's another thing to know when to exit a position, right? Now, so when you enter a position, having followed all this, there needs to be a rule, right? Now, when you have all your strategies lined out, where you now know the kind of markets you want to trade, the currency pair, you've now known, okay, what pattern of analysis you are looking to spot in the market, and what time frame you are looking to trade on, and also the duration at which you want to trade. You want to trade one time in a week, you want to trade one time in a day, you want to trade one time in a month or two times in a month. You want to just give yourself the duration. Then you also have your risk management. How much are you willing to lose on a trade, right? On a trade, 10%, 1%, 2%. You want to determine that how much you're going to lose. If you're trading with a $100, you're asking yourself, how much do you want to lose? Now you don't want to. If you want to lose 1% of that amount, then you are looking at trading with a very low lot size, right? Okay. Now you have to also have choice of indicators. You have to make choice of your indicators. So you don't want to just let your chart be messy with different kind of indicators. No, you want to be selective on what kind of indicators you want to use and how to combine them together. Okay, and also have a trading journal. Right? Okay, great. Now, a trading journal would help you to record your success, right? To record your progress in the market. Now, this trading journal will tell you, will let you keep a track record, right, of how many trades you've made, what were your decision rule for making those trades, right? What was your risk management? So those are the information that should be contained in your journal. Now, when we talk about market selection, like I've explained, right? You want to look at is a process of deciding which market to invest in, to trade, or or which trend, which market do you want to pursue. Now, selecting a market, traders must determine what currency pair they trade and become expert at reading those currency pairs. So you want to trade some specific currency pairs and become expert at reading and understanding the chart and the movement, the price movement of those pairs, right? Position sizing. Now, traders must determine how large each position is to control the amount of risk taken in each trade. Now you want to understand your position sizing so that you can know how large your risk is, so that you can control your risk, right, on each of your trades. Now you want to also understand the entry point. As a trader, you must develop rules governing when you should enter the market, right, or when you should long the market or when you should short the market, right? Now, exit rules are very, very important. Now, every trader must know when to pull out of the market. You must know when enough is enough. It's just that greed that makes you feel, oh, let the market keeps going up. Then you've already set your take profit before, but because you saw that the market went up so fast, then you now believe that, oh, it might cross your take profit. Then you remove your take profit instead of you allowing the market get your take profit and trigger you an exit in profit. You will remove your take profit, and before you know, the market will now keep dropping, right? And then you will now lose some funds. Instead of you making more money, you now lose some funds. And sometimes if you are too careless, you now say, oh, let me still leave it, it will still go up, then the thing will still continue to go down, right? I'm sure many of you have experienced something like that. Now you also need to have a trading tactics, right? Have a set of rules for how to buy and sell a currency. Select your strategy, right? Have a set of rules, what you need to see to trigger you to buy or sell a currency pair, right? Now, understanding currency pair, like I've said, currency pairs are price codes of the exchange rate for two different currencies traded in the forex market. Now, when an order is placed for a currency pair, the first listed currency, which is the currency at the base, is called the base currency, is bought, while the second listed currency is called the quote currency, is sold, right? Now, so the Euro USD currency pair is considered the most liquid currency pair in the market, in the world, right? The most liquid currency pair, and the second is USD JPY. Now let me just show you how the Euro USD. Now you can see the Euro USD, the most liquid market. Okay, So here now is this pattern here was a symmetric triangle. Right? So in a symmetric triangle like that, it can either go up or it can either go down, right? Now this is a 4 hours chart. If I was a swing trader, I would come analyzing from this level here, right? This level here. Now I might come here and say, okay, look at where the price is currently, right? The price is at this level, and let me see if it has been a resistance level for a long time. So you can see that this level has been both a resistance and a support level. As you can see, this level has been both a resistance and a support level, right? This level here has been both a resistance and a support level. Let me make it a line chart so you can identify that. So you can see that this level has been both a resistance and a support level, right? This level here has been both a resistance and a support level. So now there's a possibility now that if price, coming back to this place now, this is a weekly chart. Now if price bounce off this level, as you can see that from this point, you can see this long week and this week here and this week here. This area shows price rejection, right? And consecutively for 3 weeks now, right? For in the last 3 weeks now, including this week that we are rounding up today, because today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, the market is closing tomorrow. Market close tomorrow. So if you will see, if this market closes above these ones, right, or goes up and close above these ones, then we might be expecting a reversal in the market, given that one, it's on a resistance level, there have been some rejection. Now for some traders, this might not be a good judgment for them, right? They might also have a judgment that, okay, they want this price to go up and close above this one, right? This one here, this red one. So when it close above this one, which means that's close above the previous 3 weeks, right? Then if it close above the previous 3 weeks, it may now be their own judgment to buy, right? It may now be their own judgment to buy into that market. Okay, now so you can see what's happening on the daily chart. So these are the things you do, what we call multiple time frame analysis. Okay, now back to the slide. Now, so currency pairs, as you've understand, I've explained earlier, the base currency and the quote currency. Okay, now the difference between the bid price and the ask price is what we call spread, right? Now if you can see this bid price, I said bid price is the price that the trader is willing to buy, right? Now the ask price is the price the trader is willing to sell, right? So now the difference in what you will make is the difference in, if you are buying, if you use a bid price, now you have to subtract it from the ask price. Now the difference is what you will be making. This is 2 pips from this trade here, right? Okay, now trading time frames. Let's go practical. So you come here now, I've walked you through this is the 1 minute time frame. This is for scalpers, persons who wants to jump into the market and exit so quickly, right? These persons want to jump into the market and exit so quickly. So those are scalpers. Okay, now we have for 1 hour, 4 hours, and the daily. These are persons who the intraday traders, persons who use this 1 hour time frame, 4 hours time frame. They are intraday traders. They are looking to trade. They are trading, of course, within a day, right? Now persons who now look at the daily time frame, weekly time frame, and monthly time frame are said to be the swing or the position traders, right? So now this is a monthly time frame. Now if I buy now, I'm expecting to close my trade here, right? So I might have to wait for months right? I have to wait for months to see this trade come and close at this level, right? It might be that if I take a buy position here now, right, I might have to wait for 6 months, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months for it to come to this place and it might take profit, right? That's as a swing trader. Okay, so for now, sometimes you have to go through different time frames to know what each candlesticks are saying in the lower time frame, so that this will now help you to build up your own judgment for the position you want to take. Either you want to be buying or you want to be selling. Now, I said selection of time frame, scalping or day trading. Okay, now we are back to our contest, right? Now, don't forget the contest. This is the beginning of today's webinar course. Build your strategy course starts today. Now, you want to take a screenshot of your trade, or probably your strategy or this training. You go to your Instagram and use the hashtag it's my strategy OctaFX. It's my strategy OctaFX. And then you use the hashtag it's my strategy OctaFX, hashtag OctaFX education. Then you now tag OctaFX_official, right? So that we don't miss your post. I will be choosing a winner, right? And that winner will be getting a personal certificate and $100 in their account. Don't forget, this is only going to go to the person who attended this course from today to the last date. Okay, great. Now, if you have any question, now do well to ask your question in the comment section below. Ask your comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. So today we got acquainted with the main component of strategies and analyzed the first aspect. In the next webinar, we will continue to analyze the main topics, and at the end you will be able to create your own strategy. Okay, now if you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I'm here to answer you within the few minutes that we have. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Okay, so I'm waiting for you. If you have any question, you can ask now. Okay, what do you want me to talk about USD card? Okay, so when you go to your, I would want to select a time frame. When you go to your MT4, either on your phone or on your laptop, you see the time frame up, right? Then you can navigate it. This 1 minute, this 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly. Okay, someone said I should explain the contest very well. Okay, so someone's asking which time frame is the best for day trading. Okay, so there is no best time frame, right? There's nothing like best time frame, but then the 4 hour time frame is recommendable, right? It's recommendable. You might want to focus on the 4 hours time frame, right, to do your analysis, and probably use the 1 hour time frame to make your entry, right? So your 4 hour time frame to do your analysis, then the 1 hour time frame or 30-minute time frame to make your entry, to enter into the market, to buy or to sell. Okay, someone said, okay, I should explain the contest. Okay, I will explain it. Say, sir, I joined late, how do I get the video clip?
yeah, you would get the video clip. Don't worry, it will be on our YouTube page. Once I'm done now, you see it, you watch it. Okay, yes. So we'll be having time to do some proper analysis on chart patterns and other patterns, right? So I'll be talking more on the double bottom, the double top, and likes like that. Okay. Is there a currency that is good for beginners?
All currencies are good for beginners, right? So you only want to pick. You only want to look into the one that you best understand the currency pattern. You flow and you understand the fundamentals. Driving that currency, right? Okay. Okay. Oh, someone is asking how many pips is a good profit. Okay, so now it depends on the lot size you are using actually, and then there is no specific number of pips that is a good profit. One thing you need to understand is that when trading, it's also important to understand that compound interest takes effect, right? Compound interest takes effect. A little drop, they say, makes what? A mighty ocean, right? So if you are patient enough, no pip is too small in profit, right? If it is 2 pips you make today, tomorrow another 2 pips, that's 4 pips. Next tomorrow another 2 pips, that's 6 pips. Before you know, compounding, you get better every day. You make more pips. You have more confidence in your analysis. You are able to be more patient to see your trade setup, occur before you either buy or sell. Do you get it now? So what happens to traders is that they jump into trades even before their strategy or their setup happens, right? They are always anxious of not missing out. Don't be anxious of not missing out. The market is not running away.
That's what you need to know. All right.
So thank you very much for today. I appreciate you all for coming around to watch this webinar. I want to see you all in our next class, right? I want to see you in our next class where we'll be taking more practical steps into building your strategy. And then lastly, don't forget about the contest, right? The contest, here is how the contest goes. Now you have to attend this course, this webinar from the beginning to the end. This webinar is a course called Build Your Strategy. Now to engage in this contest, you have to go and make a post on your Instagram page. Is here. He said what you need to do on Instagram, show the strategy you are following, right? And tell us why it is perfect for you. Number 2 says use the hashtag it's my strategy OctaFX. Another hashtag OctaFX education. Then you now tag OctaFX official, so we don't miss your post, right? Now at the end of this contest, I will be selecting the winner and sending a personal certificate. OctaFX will be sending a personal certificate to the person, and also a free $100 into the person's account, right? Great. Okay, now you also want to do something. You also want to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can see it, OctaFX Forex Trading. This one we are watching on. You subscribe and also you click on that bell. When you click on that bell, it's going to ask you, do you want to always be updated every time? So you click all, right? So that every of our webinars you will always get updated. Okay?
All right. Great.
Okay, thank you very much for today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next webinar. And don't forget, go over this video again, practicalize what I've taught, and see you in the next class. Thank you very much.